Noodle recipe Chinese style hot and spice. Okay guys, today I'm gonna make noodle recipe Chinese hot spicy. Noodle recipe Chinese style hot spice. Okay guys, and this is the ingredient, all ingredient. Okay, on the first bowl is mushroom enoki, and the next bowl we have a sliced onion and chili, always hot chili, and then vegetable bouillon and one piece of fresh egg, and then noodle always. And the last one is a special recipe, is oil with soya. I mix together. Okay, let's go and we're gonna make it. Okay guys, we're gonna start it. Okay, make sure it's already switch on. Yes, first time I'm gonna put the oil. Yes, oil. Wait until oil become hot. Okay, make it a little bit high. Next, put onion and chili inside pan. Put it all. Yep. And saute. Yes, slowly. Spatula. Saute until the onion become caramelized. Okay, onions already caramelized. The color is a little bit brown, golden brown, and then smell good. Okay, after that, I'm gonna put the mushroom enoki. Yeah, put all inside, and then mix it a little bit. Yeah. Mix it. And then I put ingredient recipe. This is a little bit oil with the soya. I put inside, and then mix more. Okay, after that I'm gonna put the water inside. Yeah, okay. we're gonna cook the water until hot. After that, we're gonna put the fresh egg inside. Okay, I think it's already hot, and I'm gonna put fresh egg inside. Okay, this is fresh egg. I wanna break it. Yeah, put inside the fresh egg. Let it the fresh eggs cook, become cooked. Okay, fresh egg is already cooked. So I'm gonna put a noodle inside. Yep. And then mix it a little bit. Yeah. Mix it a little bit. And the last, I wanna put vegetable bouillon. Yep. Put everything. Put all. Okay guys, I think it's finished, done and well done. Noodle recipe, Chinese style, hot spicy. Okay,